Hey there, it's Amy from Be Healthy Enough. And if you've been told you need to build stronger bones, but the thought of jumping or those intense workouts make you cringe, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple dumbbell exercises that are bone strengthening, joint friendly, and completely jump free. These are moves I use in my own workouts and with the women I help every day. Women over 50 who want to stay strong, independent, and safe. But here's the deal. After menopause, we all start to lose bone mass much faster than we build it. But weight bearing and resistance exercises are some of the most powerful tools we have to slow that loss and even build back some bones and some strength at the same time. The trick is doing the right kind of strength training, moves that are safe, but still stimulate those bones to adapt and grow stronger. That's exactly what these 3 dumbbell exercises do. Let's dive in. I'm assuming that you're brand new to strength training, so you're just gonna need a set of light, you can grab those pink dumbbells if you're just starting out. I want you to start light if you're unsure and focus first and foremost on your form. First move is a simple dumbbell squat. Just stand with your feet about hip width apart, weights in each hand, shoulders back and down, abs slightly engaged. You're going to push your butt back. As you keep your knees over your ankles, the weight is in your heels. You're going to come down to a squat and then stand back up. Or if you need to, you can just come to a chair, sit in a chair. You can keep the weights if you want for extra resistance, sitting down, and then standing all the way back up. If you want, this hurts your knees, just sink back just a little bit. Remember, you're trying to stimulate those bones, but you don't want to do it at the sacrifice of your joints. This next move is just a bent over row, working the big back muscles. You are going to work your hips a little bit too, standing feet hip width apart. You're going to hinge back, knees slightly bent. Abs pulled in to protect your back. Your back is straight, if not slightly arched. It is not rounded forward like this. And you just bring those weights up to your side and then down, blowing out on the way up. If this hurts your back, come up a little bit further or see if pulling in your tummy and your abs helps take that pressure off the back. If this is way too much, what you can do is hold on and just do one at a time, using your arms to protect your back. Next move is a shoulder overhead press. Grab those dumbbells again, abs pulled in, shoulders back and down, weights right here, not out here. Safer for your shoulders here, and push straight up and straight down. Really great to stimulate those bones. If that movement is completely out of the question for your shoulders, don't do that move. Switch it up and maybe do just a front raise, just like that, or out to the side. If you do these moves just 2 to 3 times a week with good form and consistency, you're going to be giving your bones a powerful reason to stay strong. Remember, these exercises are a great starting point. You don't have to go heavy at first or fast. The goal is consistency, not perfection. If you have osteoporosis or osteopenia or other injuries already, make sure you check with your doctor before doing any of these moves. And as always, listen to your body. Modifying doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means you're doing it smart. If you found this helpful and want a clear path and plan to build stronger bones, I created a free Stronger Bones Starter Guide just for you. It's packed with 7 easy steps to start improving bone health today. It also includes some strength training tips, walking strategies, posture tips, and more. You can grab it free using the link in the description below. And if you want more workouts like this, safe, fun, and built for us women over 50, check out the Be Healthy Enough digital fitness studio. It's where the bone building magic happens. Thanks for being here today. Hit that like button if you've learned something, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments, Which of these dumbbell moves are you going to try first? Have a great day. Bye.